What's up, guys? This is Cooking, Baking, and More with CBM. I'm Wavy50. Today we're going to be doing chocolate chip cookies, and come along for the ride. All right.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. You, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you not think so far ahead? Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far ahead? Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it.
All right, so this is my own recipe, and we're going to start off with 1 cup of unsalted butter in the bowl. Okay. Next step would be 2 3/4 granulated sugar. Right. All right. Next thing up would be 1 3/4 of packed brown sugar in the bowl. Make sure to get it all in there. Last thing for right now is going to be 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. All right, so we're gonna mix this all together in our fabulous KitchenAid mixer on a medium to high speed until it's well combobulated. But anyway, this is right and creamy, the way CBM likes it, so that's good to go. And now we're gonna go on to our dry ingredients, I believe, which is gonna be our flour, our baking soda, and our salt. For now, you could combine those in a separate bowl if you like, but I like doing it this way because it's easy to clean up. All right, so we're gonna be adding our dry ingredients tonight, and that's gonna be 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour into the bowl. Then we got 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're gonna combine those, again, on our medium to high setting until it's well combined, which we're gonna make a huge mess. All right, well that's well combined. So we're gonna add 1 egg, and it's gonna be a total of 2, but we're gonna add 1 at a time. There's 1, and make sure this gets well combined. It should be a thick paste consistency. And then there's 2, and you're gonna have to go a little higher. So make sure that's well combined, and we'll be right back right after it's done.
What's up, guys? 86J here. Real quick, we're gonna take a quick ad break and take a little shout out to our sponsors. One of our sponsors here for Could Be Mob is gonna be Neslo Decal here. He's a provider for all of our shirts, merch, and a lot of our products that we sell on our website. Feel free to check out his website if you are excited to get some custom stuff out, some of our stuff out. Check the link in the bio. Another sponsor that we have is Steezy MD. It is our photography, videography, and editor for this page. This is his personal merch right here. If you feel free to check the website, DM our page, get some of this merch as well. And one of our last sponsors is Lokes Customs. Does a lot of custom headliners, custom work for your cars. Anything you're really looking forward to, give them a link on the Instagram in the bio. Click it, DM them, get a quote.
Well, thanks to 86J for that ad break. The last step is going to be adding your chocolate chips. This is going to be 2 cups or 1 normal size bag. We're going to incorporate that into our cookie dough, and again, mix it all together on a medium to high setting until it's well incorporated. How are you guys doing today? Let's put some comments in the chat. Do you like cookies? Because CBM likes cookies. So I guess we should use a large pan since we made a large portion of chocolate chip cookies. We're gonna butter it. You could use Pam. We just don't have Pam because we forgot it at the store. Watch the behind the scenes video. If you want to see that, it should be posted right after this one. Maybe give it a day or 2. But it looks like we could fit 12 cookies or so on here. We're gonna make pretty medium to large size cookies for Could Be Mob. And everything's mixed well together. It should look something like that so you know what it looks like. We're gonna grab a spoon and get all this delicious cookie batter or dough off of this paddle. Let's get it. Again, put those comments down below if you like chocolate chip cookies or not. I know the boys in CBM really love them. But anyway, I hope there's some hard cuts in this video. We've always wanted to do this, and that's how you get salmonella, which, you know, some people believe in, some people don't believe in, you know? All right, I think that should be good enough. That's good. All right, get this attachment off, get this out of the thing, and we got cookie dough. That's what's up. All right, so there's two ways you could do this. I think I'm just gonna use my hands, to be honest, which I don't preferably like to use, but it's all right. Just make sure to wash your hands before filming, like I did. I'm not sure what size of cookies we should do, but I know they melt down and become flat. So we're hoping that these come out well, I guess. Let's say a golf ball size, which seems to be pretty damn large. Let's make them a little smaller, guys. If you're following along at home, let me know if you made this. This is gonna be on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. So make sure to follow all of our pages for more content like this. This is our first episode of doing cooking, baking, and more with Could Be Mob. You don't know how difficult this really is, and this was a horrible idea, but we're in it now. So we're making these cookies, and I'm gonna keep talking, because you guys know I love to talk. But let's keep it going, okay? Almost there. We already preheated our oven to 375 degrees. That's spot on. Make sure to have an oven thermometer to make sure that your oven is on temperature, because if it's not, these might come out doughy or runny or gross. I'm not an expert on cookies, even though it looks like I do. But hey, you know, these seem to be really large cookies, and now I'm kind of second guessing how large to make these cookies. So, when we're done with this, we'll go over how to bake them. All right, so we have a medium-sized cookie sheet because we made way too much cookie dough. But hey, you know, just give them to the boys. You know, maybe we'll have a baking sale, I guess, for Could Be Mom. Maybe we'll donate to charity. Let me know if that's a good idea down in the comments below. But I'm Nesto Darb. This is chocolate chip cookies. We're almost done with these. The boys are getting hungry for cookies and milk. It's movie night here at CBM. We're gonna be watching Long Legs. If you guys have watched Long Legs, I heard it's scary or something. I'm not sure. But yeah, if you've been in the club and you left, if you remember the movie nights, let me know. Let me know if you remember that, right? But it's all right. We're here. And I wouldn't want it any other way. Oh! Everyone behind the scenes, you guys don't realize how many people are behind the camera staring at me. We have two huge lights, okay? We have huge lights pointed right at me. And I think I'm making these cookies way too large again. But hey, you know, just more. Just hey, you know what I'm saying? Again, this is our new show. If you think we should continue on, leave a comment down below. I love how cringy it is. Someone tagged Binging with Babish. Someone tagged Maddie Matheson. All of the stars. It'll be great. All right, so we're almost done here with this cookie dough. Let's get it. We need hype, cookie hype in the chat if you're watching the premiere. I don't know when this video is gonna come out, but hopefully it's good. All right. You have a question, audience? All right, what's the question? You know what? You win some, you lose some, you know? That's what I say. It's part of cooking, okay? All right, so we're gonna pop those in the oven. All right, so we're gonna put these in the oven for around 9 to 11 minutes or until they're golden brown, okay? Now, some people say you should put in one at a time, but we're gonna do two. So let's wait for those to be done because we didn't prepare beforehand. So I'll see you in 9 to 10, maybe 11 minutes. We'll see. All right, so it's been around 10 minutes or so. This is how we're looking. We're gonna pull them out though, so we can see how they're doing. But they might not look done, but they're gonna continue to cook after being taken out. There's one. There's two. Right there. And now you're gonna wanna let these sit for a little while to cool down, probably around 2 to 3 minutes or so, or until you could handle them. So we'll be back in, I guess, in 2-3 minutes. All right, guys, so these cookies are finished baking. We have our home cooked right over here. We have a store-bought frozen option right here. And then we have a store-bought normal bakery cookie that you would buy just off the shelf, okay? So we're gonna invite our friend Gavin, our Marine, to do a taste test. Hopefully he picks my cookie. He's not gonna know. Clearly he's blindfolded. And you just stand there, okay? And we're gonna see how this goes, right? So this is an honest interaction. He didn't watch me do this, anything like that. So I'm gonna hand feed him, I guess. All right, so I'm gonna move that up and then that one, okay. All right, so here's the first cookie. Yeah, they're pretty cool. All right, open your mouth. You're gonna feel me put the cookie in. There it is, bite, and you're good, all right? All right, it's hot. Well, nothing's ever perfect, you know what I'm saying? Yeah? It's a good one? All right, okay.
What do you rate it out of 10?
1 out of 10, what do you rate it? Salty?
Good 7.
All right, it's a 7, okay. So we're gonna go to the next cookie, you good? All right, open that mouth, okay. All right, it's in there, take a bite. There we go, chew it up, get all the flavors in your mouth. Get them all over the place. Yeah, it's good, bad? Let me know when you're done. You rate it out of 1 out of 10.
9, 8.5.
8.5, 9, all right. So we're going on. You like soft things, I bet. All right, next cookie up, open that mouth. It's coming in. All right, there it is. Again, get all those flavors around, get all those taste buds working. Let me know when you're done. 1 to 10. Like a 7? All right. Okay, well, you guys at home know what the winner is. Things like that. If you had to pick one, which one would be your favorite? Obviously, you rank them, but you have your own preference, right? So which one do you actually enjoy better or more?
I'll probably have to say
First, second, or third?
First and third are tied.
Okay.
But the first one is a nice soft. No, yeah, I like some soft.
Okay.
But it's the first. It's the second one.
The second one is what? Your favorite?
Probably my favorite.
Okay. Well, if you want to take that blindfold off, the first one was the frozen store-bought. The second one was the homemade baked cookies, and the last was the store-bought from the shelf. So you heard it here first. That is a certified Marine with Brad's or Wavy 5-0's personal cookie recipe. Try it, follow along. Let me know if you've made these at home, things like that. This is our first episode of the CBM Cooking Show, otherwise titled as Cooking, Baking, and More, CBM for short. But this is gonna be Wavy 5-0 signing off until the next one. We don't know what we're gonna make. So we're gonna look for those comments. Let's see. We might have some ideas by that time, but we don't know yet. Well, this has been a great experience. Always wanted to do this. Make sure to look for those posts on Instagram. Again, check the link in the bio for our merch. And then also shout out to our sponsors again, Nestle Decal, Steezy Media, and Low Customs. Make sure to follow us on Instagram. Make sure to follow us on TikTok. If you want to join, message the Instagram page and we can get you in. But other than that, that's been a night. Now it's good time for some milk. We're gonna watch Long Legs. We're gonna have a good time. We'll see you next time, all right?
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen.
These look horrible, by the way.
They do.
Don't know what we fucked up.